When you talk about a place doing it right, come on, talk about a customer experience. Talk about a customer experience.
I mean, at that time, everything looked legit. Look, I had a vision. The Boogeyman ready for Halloween. That was always the plan. But a build like this, you can't just take it anywhere. I did my homework. McGaughy's, the manufacturer who makes the lift kit, actually had pointed me to the lab as an approved vendor. Their social was clean, reviews were solid, and they had the experience. So I decided to move forward. The Boogeyman needed to be ready before October 31st since the whole launch was being built around it. The invoice had everything spelled out. The lift, the wheels, the tires, the sizes, and they knew that from day one, and we had agreed upon it from day one. And then I got this text, literally the day after I dropped it off. Look, we knew going in, this build was going to need some trimming. Bumper, plastic, whatever. That's just how it's done. It's pretty standard stuff for this type of project, actually. And then suddenly they can't fit 37s. Yeah, that caught me off guard. So I sent him these. Same exact setup. A few days later, I get a text. They're on, but there's a video. Yeah, that's my front plastic, bending at full lock, in a video sent to me by the shop doing the work. At this point, I still wanted to believe we were good. Yeah, I was wrong.
D-Day, we're going in. Me and Boo Boo. Come on, Flexi. Come on, Flexi Sexy. It's been a long awaited time. Very nervous, very excited. Yeah, I don't even know what to say. I can't wait to see it.
Easy there, big guy.
There she is. Hi, Ava. How are you? I'm great. Awesome. Waiting for this day for quite some time. It's been 3 weeks since from when we dropped the truck off to when I'm picking it up. Was gonna try it all to do it before Halloween, but we wanted to do it right, so we decided to hold off a bit. But today is pickup day, and I gotta tell you, I feel like a 12-year-old kid who got his first stomper truck. Whew. Let's do it.
First impression, it stopped me. I mean, the stance alone. This was what I had been thinking in my head all along. Nitto Ridge Grapplers, Arkon Kennedys. No rubber bands, no wheels hanging out 8 inches. Right there you can see a little of that fractured illusion cherry powder coating peeking through the McGaughy's cross member. The dark with the red highlights. This is what I had in my head.
Here she is. Yeah.
So, 14 days past Halloween. You know, but after everything, the calls, the text back and forth, at first glance, everything looked great, and all I wanted to do was drive it home. Just get it home.
Here it is.
Hi!
Yeah, we're pretty high up, aren't we?
Yes!
How do you like it?
I love it!
Yeah?
I'm so excited!
After all this, I should have been on cloud 9. But something was off. I didn't want to say it out loud yet, but deep down I knew.